Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am thrilled to present to you the bestseller, The 4-Hour Workweek, written by Tim Ferriss. This book has generated a lot of attention and discussion since its release, and it promises revolutionary ideas to help us rethink our relationship with work and life. In this video, I will explain the main ideas of this book, one by one, so that you can form your own opinion about its content. So, get comfortable and let's dive together into The 4-Hour Workweek. Part 1: The New Rich Concept. Tim Ferriss proposes in this book the concept of the new rich, which goes beyond just accumulating material wealth. It's about achieving your dreams and passions while having control over your schedule. The goal is not to wait for retirement to enjoy life but to create a balanced lifestyle that allows you to live fully right now. Ferriss encourages redefining what wealth means and considering time as our most valuable asset. He urges us to focus on our passions, nurture our talents, and create sources of passive income to achieve financial and time freedom. Part 2: D.E.S.A. Definition, Elimination, Simplification, Automation. One of the key methods proposed by Tim Ferriss to achieve the new rich concept is D.E.S.A. Definition, Elimination, Simplification, Automation. Firstly, it's about clearly defining your personal and professional goals, understanding what is essential to you and what isn't. By identifying your priorities, you can direct your actions toward what truly matters to you. Then, Ferriss encourages eliminating unnecessary tasks and time-consuming activities that don't contribute significantly to your goals. He suggests learning to say no to things that don't add value to your life. Once you have defined your goals and trimmed unnecessary activities, it's time to simplify what can be simplified. This involves finding more efficient ways to accomplish your tasks, focusing on the essentials, and avoiding getting distracted by minor details. Ferriss also advocates outsourcing certain non-essential tasks by hiring virtual assistants or freelancers. This can free up your time, allowing you to concentrate on the most important aspects of your life and business. Lastly, automation is a crucial element of D.E.S.A. Tim Ferriss encourages using technology to automate as many tasks as possible, both in your personal and professional life. Automation can save you precious time and reduce the time spent on repetitive and low-value tasks. This way, you have more time to focus on high-value activities or simply enjoy your free time. Part 3: Remote Work and Outsourcing. In The 4-Hour Workweek, Tim Ferriss strongly promotes remote work and explains how to outsource some non-essential tasks. Remote work offers flexibility and freedom, enabling a better work-life balance. Working remotely frees you from the constraints of a physical office, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This can be particularly advantageous if you aspire to explore new places and cultures while pursuing your professional activities. Furthermore, Ferriss emphasizes the importance of outsourcing. By delegating certain tasks to virtual collaborators, you can focus on what you do best while leaving professionals to handle aspects outside your core competencies. Outsourcing can also help reduce the stress of work overload and free up time for your hobbies and passions. Part 4: Decluttering and the Importance of Mini-Retirements. Tim Ferriss emphasizes decluttering our lives, not just materially but also by eliminating unnecessary obligations and seeking efficiency in our activities. Decluttering can be applied to various aspects of our lives, whether it's reorganizing our workspace for clarity and productivity or removing toxic relationships that drag us down. Besides decluttering, Ferriss also highlights the importance of mini-retirements. Instead of waiting for retirement at the end of our careers to enjoy life, the author encourages taking regular mini-retirements throughout the year. These regular breaks allow you to recharge, relax, and refocus on yourself. Whether it's for traveling, engaging in creative activities, or simply resting, mini-retirements can be powerful ways to regain energy and motivation in our daily lives. Part 5: The 80-20 Rule and Time Management. Tim Ferriss applies the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, to time management. According to this rule, 80% of the results come from 20% of the efforts. By applying this approach, it is possible to identify the most important tasks and focus on them to maximize your efficiency. It's crucial to identify the activities that bring the most value to your goals and prioritize them. Using the 80-20 rule, you can optimize your schedule and allocate more time to activities that produce the best results. It also means reducing the time spent on less important or low-yield tasks. While it may seem simplistic, in reality, many people spend a significant amount of time on minor details that don't add much real value to their overall goals. By focusing on the top 20% of activities, you can accomplish much more in less time. To conclude this review of Tim Ferriss's book, The 4-Hour Workweek, I must say that this book offers a fascinating and innovative approach to rethink our relationship with work, productivity, and life in general. By highlighting the concept of the new rich and offering practical methods such as D.E.S.A, remote work, outsourcing, decluttering, and the importance of mini-retirements, Ferriss encourages us to step out of the conventional paths and create a fulfilling lifestyle. Undoubtedly, the ideas presented in this book may not resonate with everyone, as each individual has their own aspirations and values. However, the strength of the 4-Hour Workweek lies in its ability to open our minds to new possibilities. It urges us to question our habits, reevaluate our priorities, and seek ways to optimize our time and energy to live a more satisfying and balanced life. By applying the principles of the 80-20 rule and clearly defining our goals, we can focus on actions that will have the greatest impact on our success and happiness. The idea of outsourcing certain tasks and taking regular mini-retirements offers the opportunity to free ourselves from stress and rediscover our inspiration. Remember that success and happiness are not solely about accumulating material wealth but also about realizing our dreams and passions. By rethinking our approach to work and focusing on what truly matters, we can create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. If you are seeking ways to maximize your efficiency, save time, and live a more balanced life, I highly recommend reading The 4-Hour Workweek. The link to purchase it is available in the description. It's a book that can change your perception of work and life, and it may inspire you to make bold decisions to achieve your most ambitious goals. Feel free to share your thoughts on this book in the comments below, as well as your suggestions for future videos on this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon for new adventures. Take care of yourself, and always remember to seek the path that truly reflects who you are. See you soon.